How's it going, everybody? It is day number 2 of harvest. It was a great first day. I got my little guy with me. He's got his old GoPro, and what's that hat say? Farming, fixing, and fabricating. You watch that channel? You know, you should. It's wonderful. It's one of my favorites. Anyway, staying here at the combine, we're gonna go out. This is day number 2 of combining soybeans. So, hope you enjoy. So with 2 videos of combining oats and the first video of combining soybeans, I've gotten a lot of questions on why do we run a small head on the combine. For everyone who's new to the channel, we just got this combine this past July. For years, we ran a 4420 combine, and we had a 213 flex head along with a 4-row corn head. So with our 213 flex heads, the problem we kept having is where the wobble box was on the sickle bar that goes back and forth. That kept breaking, and we tried welding it, and it would break again. So we got a second 213 head. Well, it broke again. Well, after we're going to buy another head. My dad decided, you know what, we're not going to have this combine forever, so I'm not going to get the 213s anymore. I'm going to get a 915 because we're someday going to upgrade. So that's why we got the 915 head. Anything more than a 15 would be way too much than that 4420 could handle. So fast forward to this past July when we got the 9500. We bought the 9500. It needed some work done, which Casanova Equipment did a great job getting that done, but we had to put some money into it, and we also had to buy a 6-row corn head. So right now a bigger header got put on the back burner. Do we want to run as much as a 20-footer? Not really. Maybe someday upgrade to an 18-footer. The first thing we need, though, is a header cart, because some of the places we got to get into, it's hard enough getting in with just the 15-footer. So that's why we run a 15-footer. Hope that clears up any kind of confusion. For right now, we'll just go a little bit faster. a load. Making short work of it. That's what we like. I'm gonna hop in here and go get loaded up. Even with that 15-foot head, we're making some really good time. I thought it was gonna be later in the day and we'd be up against the rain, but this field got knocked out in no time. So anyway, he's done for the day. He's gonna go up and, well, he's gonna empty what he's got left into the grain cart. I gotta go up and I'm sitting here videotaping and taking pictures. I gotta go up and empty this. I'm getting behind. Anyway, time to get this up, get it unloaded. Well, that's another field down. Like I said, we're gonna get rain tonight, so we're not gonna go up the road and start that field yet. My dad needs to get some lunch anyway. Before he might even have time to go milk cows tonight. Who knows? Anyway, I'm gonna go up and park this. I got a full load right now. I got another load on the green cart, so we're gonna go up. I'm gonna get this set up with the auger, and then he's gonna run me down to the Kubota, and I'll bring that back up. So.
soybeans. So stay tuned to the next video.
You gonna film, buddy? You gonna do it? Got a future YouTube star, huh? You got a future YouTube star here? Anyway, thumbs up if you like it. He's doing a selfie too. Thumbs up if you like this video. This guy's doing it. Thumbs up if you like the video. Okay, boys, ready? Yeah. Here, we'll do it together. Look, hey, come here. Come here, prisoners. Come here, boys. Thumbs up if you like this video. Drop us a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
I hit it.
Thumbs up to you if you did. I totally appreciate it. We will see you guys next one. Say bye, boys.
Bye.